What's going on, guys? Check it out. We got the chaser right here, right? We got a little special surprise. Wait for it. Boom! Coilovers. Coilover install, boy. Gotta get some low. No longer gonna be stocked. Sheesh. I got these last night. I'm like, I cannot wait one more day. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh, we need I think we need a 17, a 19, and a breaker bar. That's pretty much it, to be honest. I'm not gonna use the thing to compress the springs. We're just gonna pop it out like real men. And yeah, let's do it. Fire. Hop hats here. There's no custom camber adjustment, so I'm gonna have to add probably plates on top of it. But these are mad nice.
Yo, what they call this? Oh my god.
Yo, leave my bag alone, man.
You should record a video. Yo, how you pop the bonnet, my you? I found it. I said bonnet. I said bonnet. Oh. Okay, good job.
Real quick, it's just that bolt right there. Maybe a wrench on the other side to hold it in place. And then those 3 bolts, and they should be out. One. Need a hammer.
Wait, I don't even know what's going on. Alright, so basically the entire strap is disconnected. We just have to be able to pull it out. So the easiest way is if we're able to push this down.
Wait, so there's no way we can put the pry bar in like
you know how hard it is to drop this entire
No one's saying to do all that. I'm saying you can put the pry bar in over here.
Hey Billy, don't talk to me like that.
Alright, so the fronts are done. It was kind of a long process. You had to take off the front sway bar bolt right there and like wiggle it through without taking off the upper control arm. But yeah, made it through. That 19 right there. And this is a 14. Did both sides of the front. So it's like 11 o'clock now. Nah, it's like 10 something, I think. So I'm gonna leave the rear for tomorrow, mount up the new wheels, and sheesh, it should be good and fitted by tomorrow. That looks really good. Brand new coils are always like a good look, satisfying, you know. So I can't wait for this thing to be done by tomorrow, hopefully. All right, guys, so it's the next day. And as you can tell, the E92 is packed up. Like, there's no space for anything. 4 wheels, 4 tires. Who needs an E90? Like, what? But yeah, you know, we about to head to the tire shop, get these mounted and balanced. And we're gonna throw them on the chaser today. We gotta finish the rear coilovers because it was too late last night and I had to work today. And I was gonna save it for another video, but I'm gonna put these wheels in this video and get all the fitment and stuff together, and the car should sit really mint. So let's get started.
That echoes crazy. All right, let's just stop short for absolutely no reason. Like, what was the point of that? The stop sign was all the way up there. Living in New York, guys. Like, what? Why?
So I made it to Long Island Tire, right here in Hempstead, and I went with the Kumo Extras. Well, I bought these online, but Kumo Extras. It's the PS31s all around. I bought 2 from Walmart, 2 from Simple Tire. Next time I'm just gonna buy 2 different sets because 2 of these were expensive, 2 of them were cheap. So I'm like, I should just ran like 2 different sets of wheels or tires, I mean. because it's a stance car. Like, what's the big deal? But yeah, tires are not the way they were before, like price-wise. But these should last a good while. These are pretty good tread, whatever. Just waiting for them so we can mount those up. Yo. So we got the tires mounted, whatever. Looking good. I think there's a 215 on the 8.5. There's a 225. Cover up that real quick. 225 on a 9.5. And this is the same. So yeah. We put the sheesh. We put the 215 on real quick. Well, they put it on. I didn't even see when they put it on. But I have a spacer for it, so it's gonna pop out a little bit more. I'll mount that up. But the rear is really gonna look nice, for real. But sheesh. My son Dan working back there, right?
I need water.
All right, he needs water. About to do the rears and then adjust the fitment. Dan said he wants to dump it real quick. See what it look like.
Yeah, slam.
Slam.
Frame man.
No, this is a daily. About to drop this real quick on one side. Drop this side real quick. Nah. That's wild.
Oh, you got a good amount of camber
Oh yeah.
on this side. Okay. All right.
Yeah, those bases are out though.
Mhm.
Nah, that's tough.
I definitely need alignment.
You can't put a kid on.
Okay, we might have to rip out this damn fender liner.
For real.
Yeah, it's sitting on it.
So finally got the chaser done. Good enough until we bring it to the shop to get the fenders rolled or whatever. It was so low in the front, as you guys can tell by the previous clips, and we had to raise the front like a lot. That's why it's like monster truck status right now. It's not even fitted. But I got an appointment next week to get a fender rolled, alignment, and redo the height adjustment, and then it should be lit. And then Sevens Day is the day after, so that's gonna be fun. Sheesh. Across the street real quick. See the M right there. It's fire though. But once it's lowered and actually fitted and stuff, it'll be nice. Monster truck. We're gonna lower this to about right here. The car's so dirty from us working on it, but it'll be washed up by Wednesday. These coilovers are actually really comfortable. I did the stock Silver's spring rate, which is 14 front, 8 rear. I wanted to do 18 front, 9 rear with the feels, but the feel was back ordered, and these came in a week and a half, which is pretty good to me. Just a quick test drive. Yeah, it was really comfortable. So a couple days later, and boom. Spacer is lowered to a good height. It could be lower. Fenders are rolled. I could definitely fit like a spacer, or maybe go to like an 11 rear. Even like if I keep the same offset, I could do like a 10.5 up front. Easy. It's sitting pretty nice. And yeah, we're about to get it washed up for Sevens Day. And I think this is gonna be the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.